Uniforce Envirotronic Private Limited has launched a COD analyzer for monitoring and documenting COD measurement in wastewater treatment facility. The COD analysis involves 3 steps: sample preparation, digestion, and measurement. Gist of analysis: 1 ml of sample is mixed with 2 reagents A and B. Digest at 150 degrees centigrade for 2 hours in a COD digester, and finally the sample is cooled and absorbance measured on COD analyzer. Reagent preparation. Reagent A is a mixture of potassium dichromate, sulfuric acid, mercuric sulfate, and distilled water. Reagent B is a mixture of silver sulfate and concentrated sulfuric acid, and the sample is effluent water. First step: sample preparation. Take 1 ml of water sample. Add 0.6 ml of reagent A and mix well. Add 1.4 ml of reagent B. Close the cap and shake well. Keep the vial in COD digester. Second step: digestion. Digest the prepared sample by keeping the vial at 150 degrees centigrade for 2 hours in COD digester. Take the vial out after 2 hours and cool. Third step: measurement. Power on the instrument and follow the prompts. As per the prompt, place the blank vial and press enter key. Remove the blank vial and place sample vial when prompted. And press enter key. The display shows the COD value of the sample directly. If you want to save the data, press enter key again and the data is saved. Features: more than 10 times reduction in analysis cost, 10 times reduction of sample and chemical used, 10 times reduction in hazardous waste, reduction in space and operator time. Total digestion time is 2 hours, but operator analysis time is reduced to 10 minutes. Thank you.